So, you're searching for the best wireless router or best photo camera on Amazon. But you're not trusting Amazon rankings because you heard somewhere they often get rigged by Chinese companies. You type in search engine best wireless routers on Amazon 2022 or best photo cameras 2022 or even best photo camera reviews. So you pick several websites, open them up, and you see a lot of them having conflicting reviews. One of them says this camera is better, another says another item is better. You get confused. You start researching more and you get the feeling that something is not right. Maybe those sites are created to promote Amazon products and they get kicked back. Bingo, you're right. Most of the Amazon review sites are created to profit from affiliate commissions. For each referred user, Amazon pays you up to 10%. And even if they buy more items in that 24 window, you will get all the commission from those sales. But affiliate payout varies from each category. Some categories pay you very well, others not so much. But here lies the big problem with it. The first problem with this kind of websites is that most of them are created to generate profit, so you don't get real results. If you dig a little bit deeper, you can find YouTube channels that focuses on Amazon affiliate marketing schemes with their slideshows and voiceovers. On Instagram and TikTok, you can encounter various creators who promote Amazon products by saying that you should have this product and solve this kind of problem. It's like infomercials went through puberty and from TV they switched to social media to reach bigger audiences. A lot of people are doing it, and those sites and accounts multiply each day. We can say it's working. But most of the site reviews are fake because if they really tested products, it will cost them thousands of dollars. Let's say we pick niche wireless routers. Mid-level wireless router costs you around $100. So to test 10 routers would cost them $1,000, and it's not including website creation price, copywriting, SEO services and other marketing material. So let's say you use your own time and you tested all the routers and so on. You get a 5% affiliate commission from the product sale. Let's say you managed to be top result of keywords wireless routers, bad wireless routers and wireless routers reviews. In the United States, all these keywords combined, you get 36,000 monthly searches while the script is written. And let's say by being the top results, your average click-through ratio is 15%. Click-through ratio means that people who saw your website and clicked on it. So from 100 people, 15 clicked the link. From 36,000 impressions, you get 5,400 visitors. The average conversion rate is about 3% in these kinds of websites. Because when people search for a specific knowledge, they have a problem which they need to get resolved. It's called warm traffic, so it converts a lot better. So let's say from 5,400 visitors, 162 buys the product and you get 5% of each sale from $100. In return, that would be $810. So you need 2 months to break even if you manage to get to the top position. Of course, you can resell that, but ain't nobody got time for that. So most of these sites create reviews from other reviews and feedback from buyers on Amazon to cut their cost. That's why most of the time you don't even get a real review. But you're thinking, is it hard to create a site like this and how you can do that? So don't waste any time and let's do this. The first thing we should do is to get the domain name. Pick a domain name that has a review word or something like 10 best of, review machine, and so on. But before that, pick a niche that does not have a lot of competition and products cost more than $100. Because if you focus on low costing products, your commission will be a joke, and if you even get a lot of traffic to your site. For keyword research, there are a lot of tools on the internet, but for estimated monthly searches, you can use Google Ads. It's best that your website could have .com extension, people will trust your website more. After that, we need to get hosting. Hosting prices varies a lot, but for this kind of website, $5 a month will be enough. When we have everything set up with the hosting, now we need to install an easy way to manage a website, and that will be WordPress. When you install WordPress, now just pick a theme that is made for reviews. There are plenty of them. At this point, I would recommend you to buy premium theme like Astra, OceanWP, or a high review theme from ThemeForest or any equivalent website. Follow the documentation they provide to install demo content, so it will be much easier to customize your website. When customizing a website, keep in mind that your website should have a good user experience and should be accessible through mobile phone with ease, because almost 80% of the traffic will come from mobile users. So don't overload your website with pictures and videos. After your website is set, optimize its loading speed and do inner SEO. And now it's time to generate some content. Before you even start to work on marketing on your website, I would suggest you to have at least 12 well-researched articles in your niche. Needless to say, you will be not investing into buying products and testing them. You will write a review by researching the products. That's the way affiliate marketers work. Use testimonials from Amazon to form an opinion about the product. Or you can even navigate your competitors to find what they are writing about various kinds of products. Of course, I should mention that you can outsource the website and creation process for $1,000. And the same applies to articles. Each well-researched article will cost you from $10 to $60. After you have your website blasted with content and it's looking good, it's time to promote it. First way is to bring traffic through social media. It's easiest, but you will always have to produce content because social media is like junk food. Content is fast and it's not sticking. New trends appear, new influences appear every day, and there is a lot of content and there is no ability of searchability. When was the last time you searched for a best microwave review on TikTok or Facebook? I guess never. So you have to create content like things you should have from Amazon and add part 12 or something like that and hope for the best. Another way which more sustainable is YouTube and search engine marketing. You can create a content on YouTube or outsource the creation of the targeting keywords. It's not that hard to rank on YouTube in this niche because most of the videos are just slideshows. And you can also buy ads on targeted keywords. For search engines there is two ways: paid media and organic traffic. If you have money to invest, you can invest into paid advertising targeting keywords. This will show you if your page is good enough to convert and maybe you will break even or have small profit from this venture. And if it's converting, people are buying products, you can invest into SEO. SEO will take a lot of time, and how to do that, you can find courses on Udemy or Skillshare. Also, there are great information on YouTube, but it will cover you the basics. But keep in mind that SEO is long-term investment. It can take you from 6 to 24 months to reach top results. And even then you are not guaranteed with that, because maybe your competition is creating more research content and they have better backlinks from higher authority websites. So this is how you can create an affiliate website and earn money by doing it. Good luck!